Hey guys, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a pretty feel-good head nod that you can do. Now, first of all, you're gonna think I'm crazy. Second of all, I wore this shirt so you can see the full effect. And third of all, this really does feel good. So after you stop laughing, you've gotta try it to see what you think, all right? You've gotta experience it. Anyway, all you do, so you probably did this as a child. Gotta move this medicine ball out of the way. I need safety first. And again, you probably did this as a child. And what you're gonna do is you're going to somehow make these striations in your neck that run to your chest, all right? So I know, and if you don't know how to do this, just learning how to do that is a good skill that you should have and carry out throughout your lifetime and teach your children and their children. Anyway, so you're gonna make these, the veiny neck, whatever it is, the ugly neck, and you're gonna hold it. And while you hold it, you're going to do head nods, and it looks like this. And you can also do head rotations. Anyway, watch this. So you do this, eyes up, eyes down. You can go left and right. So you want to lead the movement with your eyes, follow with your head while you hold the ugly neck. And yes, listen, I'll admit, it's crazy. But I'll also tell you, it feels really good. It is very refreshing. Like, you'll feel alive but good, and you've just got to try it, all right? So I like you. This is my gift to you. I want you to receive the gift, but I can't make you receive the gift, but just try it, all right? So look, eyes lead the head, head leads while you hold the ugly neck. So again, you do that for like 10 or 15 seconds, and then just notice what you feel. Probably gonna feel pretty good. All right, anyway, that is our ridiculous feel-good tip this week on the Original Strength channel. I'm Tim Anderson. We'll see you next time.